too long trailer made it impossible to turn. In such a situation the truck driver could not fit into the bend. Drivers of expensive cars do not buy driving licenses for money. Moments called Dashcam shows what can happen if we do not apply the handbrake. Hitting another car. Situations like this happen often on the road. Parking in this way can cause a lot of damage to the car. The bus failed to brake, leading to a collision. This incident could be avoided. The driver did not stop at the traffic lights. These guys did not know the rules of the road, causing losses. The black pickup did not manage to stop in front of the line marked for it. Drivers have a problem with falling building materials. Failure to apply the parking brake may cause the vehicle to move spontaneously.